Hello South Africa. Today is Friday, September 30, 2022, and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. Land Expropriation Bill approved by the National Assembly. The Land Expropriation Bill was adopted after it received a majority vote in the National Assembly late on Wednesday, September 28. Opposition parties, including the DA, EFF, IFP and more objected to the move. The National Assembly said the purpose of the Land Expropriation Bill was to repeal the existing Apartheid-era Expropriation Act of 1975, which was not in line with the Constitution. It further seeks to provide for certain instances where expropriation with no compensation may be appropriate in the public interest, read a statement. More trouble at Eskom as board member Busi Mavuso resigns. In what is probably another headache for Eskom's leadership, Busi Mavuso has reportedly stepped down from the Imbattle Power Utilities Board. For now, it isn't clear whether Mavuso's decision to step down is due to the load-shedding crisis, but it's a sure bet. Eskom has been struggling to keep the lights on this month, with the rolling blackouts having even escalated to stage 6 at some point. City Power exempts these Joburg hospitals from load shedding. City Power has started to exclude certain hospitals and clinics in Johannesburg from load shedding. This is due to the challenges these health facilities go through during the blackouts. City Power's decision comes after they were approached by the Department of Health to consider ways to exempt their facilities from the power cuts. The rendering of electricity service to residents is of a critical nature, said City Power spokesperson Isaac Mangina. October petrol price, motorists can expect both good and bad news. The Automobile Association says petrol users could see another sizable reduction in their fuel price in October while diesel users could face an increase. According to unaudited mid-month data of the Central Energy Fund, CEF, petrol is expected to decrease by between 1.14 Rand and 1.24 Rand a litre while diesel is expected to increase by between 43C and 50C a litre in October. While fuel prices were projected to come down by more in September, the final price cut confirmed by the Energy Department saw a drop of 2.04 Rand per litre for petrol, and between 46 and 56 cents per litre for diesel. Eastern European woman kidnapped in Cape Town. The wife of a business owner in Cape Town was kidnapped in Blue Downs on Thursday morning, September 29. The suspects reportedly took her from a vehicle near the business premises. South African Police Service, SAPS, spokesperson Captain Frederick van Wyk told the South African that crime scene experts are on the scene combing the area for clues. The alleged kidnapping took place at approximately 10:05 in Ipswich Road, near Saxdown Road and the Stellenbosch Arterial, in Blue Downs. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.